ǹlẹ́ o, a kú ìsinmi òní. This is Yetunde Adebayo, your Yoruba language teacher here on TikTok. Lónìí, ẹ jẹ́ ká ṣiṣẹ́ lórí báwo la ṣe lè ṣe títà àti rírà ní èdè Yorùbá. Today, let's work on how to do buying and selling using Yoruba language. When we get to the market, the first thing to say is to greet. When we are in the morning, you say ẹ káàárọ̀, ẹ káàárọ̀. In the afternoon, you say ẹ káàsán, ẹ káàsán. In the evening, you say ẹ kúrọ̀lẹ́, ẹ kúrọ̀lẹ́. In the night, you say ẹ káalẹ́, ẹ káalẹ́. So having done with your greeting, you can ask question, you can ask the seller, you can ask them question. You can say how market. How do we say how market? In Yoruba, you will say ṣé ajé wá, ṣé ajé wá. This is to say how market. Hope you sell. So in Yoruba, so we like to greet wherever we find ourselves. We like to greet. So you say ṣé ajé wá. This is to say how market. Hope you sell. Hope you sell. You say ṣé ajé wá. Okay, so you want to ask the price of what you want to buy. You want to ask how much. To say how much in Yoruba, you say èló ni, èló ni. You can even say how much is this one? Èló ni eléyìí. This one, eléyìí. Èló ni eléyìí. So if you are the seller, you want to say the price in Yoruba. Let's assume what you are selling is 3,000 naira. You want to say 3,000 naira in Yoruba, you will say ẹgbẹ̀rún mẹ́ta náírà. Ẹgbẹ̀rún kan in Yoruba, this is 1,000 naira. Ẹgbẹ̀rún kan náírà. Ẹgbẹ̀rún méjì náírà, this is 2,000 naira. Ẹgbẹ̀rún mẹ́ta náírà, this is 3,000 naira. Okay, supposing what you are selling is 3,000 naira, in Yoruba you will say ẹgbẹ̀rún mẹ́ta náírà ni. Ẹgbẹ̀rún mẹ́ta náírà ni. This means it is 3,000 naira. Okay, so if you are the buyer, you want to do the price. You want to say, please, can I pay 2,000 naira? In Yoruba, you will say, ẹ jọ̀ọ́, ṣé mo lè san ẹgbẹ̀rún méjì náírà? Ẹ jọ̀ọ́, ṣé mo lè san ẹgbẹ̀rún méjì náírà? Why are we adding ẹ jọ̀ọ́? Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ means please. So this is for you to have a polite request. Okay, so you say ẹ jọ̀ọ́, meaning please. Can I pay 2,000 naira? Ṣé mo lè san ẹgbẹ̀rún méjì náírà? Okay, if you are the buyer, supposing 2,000 naira is okay for you, you can sell your product like that. So you will say, okay, ẹ sanwó. Ẹ sanwó means pay money. Pay. Ẹ sanwó. In Yoruba, you will say ẹ sanwó, meaning pay the money. Ẹ sanwó. Okay. Then what else can we say when we are doing buying and selling? Supposing you want to collect change, okay, in Yoruba, you can ask for your change by saying, where is my change? You can say senji mi dà. Change, we call it senji in Yoruba. You say senji mi dà, meaning where is my change? Where is my change? Okay, if you are the seller, you want to appreciate your customer. Supposing you want to say thank you for patronizing me. So in Yoruba, you will say ẹ ṣeun fún bí ẹ ṣe bá mi rajà. Ẹ ṣeun fún rírà. Thank you for buying from me. Ẹ ṣeun fún rírà. Ẹ ṣeun fún rírà. So you can say this one, or just say ẹ ṣeun. Ẹ ṣeun means thank you. Ẹ ṣeun, thank you. Okay, this is how to do buying and selling in Yoruba language. If there is anything you want to learn concerning buying and selling, put it in the comments. Let me know. Once I see your comments, I will respond to your comments. So this is how to do buying and selling in Yoruba language. Hope you have learned something today. Don't forget to follow me for more of Yoruba lesson, everyday lesson. Okay, like and share this video to those that may need it. Thank you very much. See you again in the next class. And if you need a Yoruba language teacher, one-on-one teacher, so DM me. Thank you very much for your time. Ó dàbọ̀.